GoMining has a special offer now available, lowering their terahash from $26.99 to $22.99. But the main purpose of this video is to show off their New Year's promotion. And how I found out about this is the person I report to for my GoMining ambassadorship sent me this through Telegram, so let me show you it. And this event actually started on the 22nd, but I was trying to get a hold of him for the last couple of days to get some information. You can see, I didn't want to make this video until I had everything, but you can see that it says one Go box for $26 spent, and this is where the confusion came in, because like I said, they lowered it from $25.99 to $22.99. And what I found out from this is that every time you upgrade or create a new miner, it's going to give you a free Go box. And if we go back, you'll see that can give you GoMining tokens, free miners, bonus miner working days, promotion codes, and there's also collectible images. And so there's 20 different collectible images, and to complete the challenge, you get 15 different images, and it looks like you'll receive an avatar access key, which is a pretty big deal in GoMining. So the promotion said that every time you upgrade your miner, you'll gain a Go box. So let's try it out. Go to upgrade miner. We're gonna go to, actually scroll up here, go to my biggest one, because the higher your terahash is, the little bit more of a discount you get. So we're gonna come here, go to custom. I'm gonna go to 1 terahash. It's gonna cost me 60 GoMining. I have that, and I'll show you my account later. Confirm that, confirm purchase. And let's see if we have the Go box. And I did end up figuring it out. So if you go on the top right, you'll see the Go box New Year event. You hit show more, hit full details, and you see I didn't get a Go box. And the reason is you click here to task. I spent $20.18, and like my ambassador representative said, it was $26, so it does kind of not line up with the new discount. So I'm going to buy 3 more terahash. That'll bring me to 80, and that'll give me 3 Go boxes total. Now, just to note that you can do 5 total a day, and it resets every day until the 31st. So let's click out of here and just let's buy those miners real quick while I'm here. Upgrade miner. We're going to do that same miner over here. I'm going to go to custom. Do other. Let's do other. Type in 3. And then we're going to click pay. Confirm purchase. 180 GoMining, decent amount, but I still have some left over. Confirm purchase, yes. And there it is. Let's see if we have my Go boxes. So back up here. Back up to the promotion. Show more, full details. All right, let's open up some Go boxes. See what we get. Two GoMining, okay, that wasn't very good. All right, let's try some more. Open Go box, I should have 3, I believe. Hope for some better luck this time. 2 GoMining, that's pretty bad. All right, let's try one more. Okay, so 3rd time's a charm. Let's hope we get more than 2 GoMining. 2 bonus miner days, that it gives you, I think, it's what, 16 terahash, 20 watts per terahash, so it's a decent amount of sats for 2 days. Nothing game changing. But this does give you a little bit of a look what you can get. I got 4 GoMining tokens, and I got 2 bonus days. And something I just saw as I was scrolling through, for GoMining fans, you can receive 50 bounty points. Where GoMining is asked, what makes GoMining stand out for you? What have you achieved so far? Share your progress, your favorite features, and why they enjoy using the app. So let's go to tasks. Let's check that out real quick. So if you click start on the Telegram bot, you can see where it says for GoMining fans. And it's asking for a review in the Google Play or the Apple App Store. So I'm going to hit proceed to task. Going to leave a review on Google Play, and I'll be right back. And when I went back and looked at my review, I actually made one back in May. And what I found out is if it's not a recent review, it won't count, and I'll show you what I mean. So I uploaded my screenshot, I have the new review, I put some nice things about it. I entered my country, I'm in the United States, and you can see the data review from the 23rd to the 30th. I'm making this video on the 23rd, so I put the 23rd. And you can see after that, I was all set, and I should receive those 50 points within a week or two, I'm sure. But the biggest thing about this whole thing is what I said at the very beginning, is where the miner prices are now $29.99. This changes the APRs pretty drastically. And one of the reasons I hadn't made a GoMining video in a while is because Bitcoin's prices obviously dropped, to the high 80s, low 90s generally. And with GoMining's prices per terahash being pretty high, the APRs weren't that good. But so if you go to Create Miner, it's going to cost a little more than what I paid for, because as you have more terahash for a miner, it costs a little bit less. But I want to go with just the base starting from the beginning. And you can create a miner on the regular screen, and it gives you an ROI, all that. But going to custom actually gives you a better look, and it gives you like the original screen from any video that you've seen from mine earlier. But the tricky thing they have with this is they have Bitcoin set to 110,000, which it isn't. We're going to go to current, which is 87,442 as of this video. And we're going to go to BTC instead of GoMining, because not everybody just has GoMining to go around. And you can see that the APR is still only 18.37%. So you can imagine how low it was before. But the thing about this is, if you're going to get into cloud mining, you're betting on Bitcoin going up. And you can see, let's go back to that 110 that it was advertising. Oh, that's 100,000, sorry about that. The APR goes all the way up to 33.58. And let's head back up a little higher. Let's go a little crazy at 150K. You're looking at 60.53. And this is without any kind of GoMining discount. So the point is that because the terahash is cheaper, you're getting a much better deal, especially if Bitcoin does eventually go up. And GoMining is a multi-million-dollar corporation. They're not going anywhere. You can actually trust these guys. They run on real ASICs, and you have real APRs. 18 doesn't sound great, but like I said, if you're betting on this, this is a great deal. And if you think luck is on your side, you can also get those Go boxes. Every $26 spent, you get a free Go box. Usually those are a lot harder to get a hold of, and the prizes are really hit and miss, but you could hit big. The last thing before you go, I haven't done a GoMining video in a while, like I just said. So I'm going to show you what my account looks like at this point. And while I'm looking at this, it says I have 47 terahash, but I really have 31. That's because of that bonus miner I got off the Go box. And my efficiency is 15, not 16.27. But anyway, let's go to dashboard. And you can see that I made a total of 496,611 sats. And now that I have another 4 terahash, I should be somewhere around like 1,250 sats per day, which is pretty nice. But there is something important to point out. I do have a lot of GMT, which you can see I get a 25.34% discount. And if you come here, I've locked away a lot of GMT. 418 days of maintenance, and I'll just show you how Liquidity works real quick. It's pretty complicated, but it is a way for me to get some free GMT and to pretty much pay for my maintenance, which gives me that 20% discount. But anyway, if you scroll down on the main screen, let's find it real quick. Under clan, you see where it says votes, I hit the little plus sign. And you can see I have 981 GMT locked right now, which is $333. And what I would do if I wanted to add more, if you wanted to add more from this lockup, you'd hit that little plus sign. I did that before. You can see that 148.14. Didn't mean to do that. So I kind of figured out how to actually get it to where you want. So you click the little down arrow here, scroll down, click view. And then I'm going to hit the little plus sign where it says locked. I'm just going to put a small amount. So I have 148 just left, that's not locked up. I don't want to use it all, so let's just do 40. But before I do that, you can see that I'm at 831 and I earn 4.92 a day. So let's lock up that 40 and see what changes. So now it's 5.16. Not a drastic amount, but I only locked away 40 as well. So let's click next. Click lock. Click confirm. And there it is, new lock amount upgraded. View the lock. And there it is. And it's locked until August 8th, 2029, which is a long time away. But I'm more about the passive income that gives me more than anything. So you guys know I haven't made a Go mining video in a while, and like I said, it's only because of Bitcoin's price. I didn't want to show this off with 11% APR. You know, somebody looks up this video and they'll be like, 11%? That's not really worth my time. So I wanted to wait until Bitcoin, got backed up to 110, 120. It's been a while. I do believe it will happen. And when it does happen, I'll make a full review video. I'll go through the entire nuts and bolts of this entire thing. There's a lot to it, but I think it could be really informative and really help out a lot of people. And always, if you have any questions, I'm a GoMining ambassador. I have somebody I can reach out to and get official answers. If you want to hop on my Discord, you can, leave me a comment, and I'll answer you. It's not a problem. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I do my best to find the best Bitcoin cloud mining apps and break them down as well as I can. And if you want a free and easy way to support the channel, I have a GoMining QR code right here. I also have my promo code. You can see WXURE. Lowercase w, you get 5% cash back on your first miner purchase. And it really does help me get these videos out. I get a decent amount of free GMT, lets me upgrade my miners, and I get to show off my account for you guys. And if you feel like you get value from these videos, I've unlocked memberships for 99 cents a month. I don't take any direct sponsorships from any of these cloud mining apps, so I can keep these videos as unbiased as possible. So when somebody does sign up for a membership, it really does make my day and really does help support the channel. And you will get these videos out a little earlier. Big shout out to Kif849. Really appreciate it, bro. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching. And until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.